This video explains how to buy shares of Nayax Ltd using the ticker NYAX. Nayax is a provider of cashless payment and telemetry solutions for vending and unattended retail, and it trades on NASDAQ under NYAX. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy NYAX, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your identity, typically with an ID document, and to add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NYAX to find the correct listing. Confirm you have selected the Nayax Ltd entry trading on NASDAQ to avoid similar names. On the NYAX asset page, you will see a short company description and a live price chart. Verify the basic company details and the NASDAQ listing to confirm this is the right stock. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading resumes. And if your available funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. After the order is filled, your NYAX position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this walkthrough.